Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Here is Irina with another unboxing for you. This time, this is my first time ever Chanel sneakers, and I bought them at the Neiman Marcus at the local store. And this was my Christmas present, Valentine's Day present to myself. And I got my real estate license lately, so there's that. Here we go. Let's get into it. It comes with normal original carton box. Textured, good. And here is the article. Here's the number of the style. And these are from the Cruise 2024 collection. As I told you, I found them at the Neiman Marcus. So let's see what's inside. I didn't open it from the new year, so this is a little bit dusty, I'm sorry. So it comes of course with dust bags, 2 of them. Very high quality cotton with Chanel wording on each. All right, here they are. Silver metallic. This is crazy. So these are the Cruise collection 2024 sneakers, all leather. Yeah, okay. What comes with it? It comes with care booklet, how to take care of your shoes, what to do, how to wash and clean. And it comes also, it comes with the extra pair of laces, just in case. The same laces as on the shoe, the white ones, simple. Very nice to have a spare pair. So, and here they are, out of the box. But anyways, they were 1,300, something like that, with tax. And yeah, these are so pretty. As I said, these are the first pair Chanel sneakers for me. I never had this before. I tried them on, I just couldn't say no because these are so comfortable, so pretty, awesome. Win-win for me because I live in sneakers. I love sneakers. These are my go-to shoes for everything. So let's get to the point. Okay, this is the 100% leather shoe with a rubber sole around 1 inch thick. There is a Chanel wording on a textile label right there, and another logo. On the back is nothing, and perforated leather, and another logo right there. And these are relatively lightweight, so these aren't too heavy. In real life they are awesome. And inside we have the label, of course, and we have article number and the size. Well, about the sizing, guys, I'm usually 38 and a half in Chanel and all Italian shoes, but somehow 38 and a half were too small for me and too narrow here, right there in the toe area. So I asked them for 39, and it fits like a glove. It fits perfectly. So just for the reference, I'm always wearing 38 and a half in Italian sizes or in European sizes, but in these I went with 39 and it fits really nicely. Okay. All right, we have white laces, we have perforated leather. This is very pretty silver metallic color, and we have white rubber sole about 1 inch thick, and on the sole we have a Chanel logo right there. We have the label that says it's made from leather with leather inside and the rubber sole. Here we go, usual, and the sole is pretty wide with a little bit of wording right there. What is it? Made in Italy. Made in Italy. And here's the Chanel. So the stitching is perfect. I don't see any flaws. I was in the hurry when I bought them because I was returning some stuff. I didn't have enough time, and I tried them on, and I just fell in love. All right, here they are. Here's the second one, and inside they have like normal regular filler. Okay, about insole, also they have like, you know, like memory foam insole. These are so soft and you feel like you are walking on the clouds when you're wearing them. It's amazing, and these are really comfortable. Okay, here they are, pretty and shiny. Do we like them? I think we like them. I love them. Here we go. Time to try them on. Let's do it. Okay guys, let me know what you think. Do you like them or don't? Leave your comments down below. I think I like them. Pretty shiny, pretty lightweight, pretty comfortable. All boxes checked. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. See you next time.